Tesla's official website has listed a product called the Scale Megapack Charger, a portable power bank priced at $120. It perfectly replicates the industrial aesthetics of the Tesla Megapack energy storage system in a 1/40 scale. It features 3 USB ports, supports 65 watts fast charging input, and offers a 100 watts output, with a maximum total power of 108 watts. It also boasts a large capacity of 21,000 mAh. The box is black. The specs info and a QR code are affixed to the lower left and right corners respectively. The box contains the power bank and some documents. It uses a PC flame retardant case. All service access panels are movable components, revealing intricately detailed replicas of internal battery packs and wiring once opened. A Tesla logo is embedded in the upper right corner. The multiple cooling fans on the top deeply restore the Megapack. The plastic sheets of the 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port are black. The power button is on the top. There are 4 battery indicator lights below, which light up blue, and each one represents 25% of the battery. On the underside, a full coverage rubber anti-slip pad ensures stability, and is encircled by an LED light strip. The specs info is also printed here. Model is TSL03. Battery capacity, 3,500 mAh, 21.9 volts, 76.65 Wh. Rated capacity, 11,000 mAh, 5 volts, 3 amps. It is C, FCC, BC, and UKCA certified. The length is about 22 centimeters. The height is about 71.66 millimeters. The width is about 46.3 millimeters. The weight is about 651 grams. When powered on, the Tesla logo is illuminated by a red light. The bottom light ring will also glow red. ChargerLAB Power's EKM003C shows that USB-C 1 can support PD 3.0, PPS, QC5, and DCP charging protocols. And it has 5 fixed PDOs of 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, 3 amps, and 20 volts, 5 amps. It has 2 sets of PPS, which are 3.3 to 11 volts, 3 amps, and 3.3 to 21 volts, 3 amps. ChargerLAB Power's EKM003C shows the USB-C 2 can support FCP, SCP, AFC, QC3+, PD 3.0, PPS, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amp charging protocols. And it has 5 fixed PDOs of 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, 3 amps, and 20 volts, 5 amps. It has 2 sets of PPS, which are 3.3 to 11 volts, 3 amps, and 3.3 to 21 volts, 3 amps. Our tester shows the USB-A supports FCP, AFC, QC 3.0, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amp charging protocols. Next, let's take it apart to see its internal components and structure. Remove the top cover. The shell is fixed with buckles. There is a small PCB on the top cover, with the logo indicator light and the power button on it. Remove it. The power button is patch welded, and the LED indicator is covered with foam to prevent cross-lighting. The battery pack is covered with a plastic shell with thermistors at both ends. Remove the bottom shell. And find the PCBA module inside. The PCBA module is connected to the battery pack via red and black wires. Take out the battery pack. It is wrapped in a blue cover. It is composed of 6 18650 lithium batteries and is spot welded. The battery cells are all EV 18,650 Indian rupees 35 volts lithium-ion batteries with a battery capacity of 3,500 mAh, a nominal voltage of 3.65 volts, and a nominal energy of 12.78 Wh, and have passed CE and CCC certification. The front of the PCBA module is covered with a metal heat sink, and multiple wires are connected to the edge. There are several thermal pads under the heat sink corresponding to the heat generating components. There are also 2 black wires connected to the heat sink via screws. The front of the PCBA module has MCU, lithium battery protection chip, MOSFET, power management chip, and other components. On the back, there is another voltage regulator controller for the USB-C port and a step-down SoC for the USB 8 port. The solid capacitor for input filtering is from Engcon, 35 volts 100 microfarad. The solid capacitor on the battery side is also from Engcon, 35 volts 100 microfarad. The lithium battery protection chip is from ICM. It supports the application of a 6 series battery pack and supports battery balancing. It has a built-in high-precision voltage detection circuit and current detection circuit, which can detect the voltage, current, and temperature, and perform protection functions. The 2 lithium battery MOSFETs are from APM and adopt the PDFN 5x6-8L package. Withstand voltage 40 volts, resistance 4.5 milliohm. The power management chip for USB-C is from Injoinic. It supports multiple protocols, such as PD 3.1, and the charging and discharging power is up to 140 watts. The 4 synchronous buck-boost MOSFETs are from APM. There is a solid capacitor, 35 volts 220 microfarad. The other solid capacitor has the same specifications. Another USB-C power management chip is also from Injoinic. The 4 synchronous buck-boost MOSFETs are also from APM. Here is the solid capacitor, 35 volts 220 microfarad. The other solid capacitor has the same specifications. The SMB common mode choke equipped for the 2 USB-C ports is used to filter high-frequency interference. The buck protocol chip for the USB port is from Injoinic. It supports 4 charging protocols and features a built-in power MOSFET, with a step-down conversion efficiency of up to 98%. This is the solid capacitor for output filtering for the USB port, 16 volts 100 microfarad. This is the MCU, the information is unknown. The non-synchronous step-down DC-DC converter for powering the MCU and LED lamps is from MD. It integrates MOSFET and adopts the SOT23-6L package. This is the filter capacitor, 16 volts 220 microfarad. Well, those are all components of the Tesla 140 scale Megapack charger. It is a power bank that perfectly replicates the industrial design style of the Megapack energy storage system, boasting a highly recognizable appearance. The battery pack is completely isolated from the PCB. The PCB is equipped with thermal pads and heat sinks, while the connecting wires are reinforced with adhesive for added protection. Overall, the craftsmanship is meticulous. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you next time. Bye.